In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your card to draft. Whether you're new to Card or already familiar with its interface, it's always helpful to know how to save your work effectively. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and allows you to revisit and refine it later. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Card site. You can do this by logging into your Card account and accessing your dashboard. Once there, select the specific site you've been working on. It's crucial to make sure you're on the right page to avoid any confusion or errors. After all, nobody wants to accidentally save changes to the wrong project. Now, let's move on to saving your work. You'll notice a Save button, recognizable by a floppy disk icon. This button is your gateway to ensuring that your efforts don't go to waste. Click on it to start the saving process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the title of your site. This step is mandatory, so be sure to write a title that accurately represents your site. A good title not only helps you remember the purpose of your card, but also makes it easier to organize and differentiate from other projects. Following the title, you'll need to provide a description of your site. Again, this is a required step for saving your work. Think of this description as a brief overview of what your site is about. It doesn't need to be long, but it should give a clear insight into the essence of your project. Once you've filled in both the title and the description, it's time to decide what you'd like to do with your work. Card offers a few options here. If you're ready to share your site with the world, you can choose to publish it to a card.co URL, or even use a custom domain if you're a Card Pro user. Alternatively, if you're still in the editing phase and not quite ready for your site to go live, you might prefer to save it as an offline draft. This option is great for when you want to take a break and come back later with fresh ideas. Finally, once you've made your choice on publication, click on the Save Changes button. This final step ensures that all the details you've worked on are securely stored. It's satisfying and reassuring to know that your hard work is saved and waiting for you to revisit whenever you're ready. That wraps up our tutorial on saving your card to draft. Remember, saving your work regularly is key to a smooth and stress-free content creation experience. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing on Card.